Betty. So it's Sunday, April 26th, and from 1 to 4, we're having open houses here again in Heritage Landing. So I'm at 25228 Keygrass Court. We're going to be on TV soon, and when this thing hits television, it's going to get like something like millions of views. I don't know. I'm so excited. So if you don't want that kind of competition and you're interested in a Victoria with golf and the pool and the spa and the outdoor kitchen on the 15th hole, 1,874 square feet, 2-bedroom, large den, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage. I mean, this is the place for you. You're gonna wanna get here and make me an offer before it goes on TV, before it airs. So I'm having an open house today, 1 to 4, stop by and see me. Also, John is gonna be at one of our condos, and it also has deeded golf. It's on the ground floor. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,166, I think, square feet. John will tighten that up for you. Fantastic view of the 11th hole. That's the 11th hole. And you've got this pond and the golf course and the preserve behind it and the golfers, but you've got a good amount of distance between you. There's gators, there's eagles fishing, there's all kinds of birds and wildlife and all. It's just, the view is mesmerizing out there. Not to mention, super convenient location in the community because she's on the ground floor. Her parking is right up front. Mailboxes are right outside her front door, as well as her storage unit. And then just across the parking lot from her is one of the satellite pools. So it is a great little community over there within the community, if you know what I mean. And again, has that deeded golf. So if you're looking for something seasonal or full-time, the current owner is full-time, but she's wanting to sell and be over by her son. So if you want to take the opportunity to make an offer to John while you're over there checking that place out, please do. She's priced right at $258,500. Yeah, $258,500. I mean, where are you gonna get anything for $258,000? You guys, come on down here, buy this condo, enjoy this community. It's so fun. It is so fun. It is like an adult Disney. I mean, there's golf, there's pickleball, there's tennis, there's bingo, there's bocce, there's cornhole, there's name that tune, there's murder mystery dinners. There's all kinds of fun activities to do. Get to know your neighbors. It's easy peasy, and you feel like you're on vacation. Living here is a vacation, you guys. So you want to be here. I'm here. Come see me. All right, so that's what's going on. There's a dozen open houses today, plus my friend Tim May. He's got another one over on River Birch Court. It's a Maria, nice layout, very popular layout. I think he might have a pool over there. I'm not sure. He's not on my list. But if you stop by and see me at the open house, I'll tell you how to get to him, okay? And you can check out his place too. All right, see you soon. I can't wait to hear about your wish list.